There we learned about how to find the derivative of velocity and acceleration. Now we will learn how to find the derivative of a given number or x raised to anything. Derivative is nothing but this slope, which is given by the formula tan theta. Theta is the angle between the horizontal and this tangent. This is a tangent and it touches at the point P. Derivative is the slope of the graph. Therefore, dy upon dx is derivative. Now, given that y is equal to x raised to n, therefore dy upon dx is equal to change in y upon change in x, which is equal to n. We took n outside into x and n minus 1, and subtracting 1 from the power. So let's solve some example regarding this. Given that x 1 upon x raised to 3, y is equal to 1 upon x raised to 3. And we know that whenever x raised to 3 comes up, it becomes x raised to minus 3. We know that whenever denominator number comes up, in numerator it becomes minus. Its power become minus. Now took the derivative of this. Minus 3 into x minus 3 minus 1, which is equal to minus 3 x into minus raised to minus 4. This is how we found the derivative. Now given that y is equal to x raised to minus 7, therefore derivative dy upon dx is equal to minus 7 into x minus 7 minus 1, which is equal to minus 7 raised to minus 7 into x raised to minus 8. Now let's solve next question. Given that y is equal to root x, we know that root x is equal to x raised to half. Here the process will be same, just the power comes outside into x and subtracting 1 from the power, which gives us half x into minus half. Next question, x raised to 3 by 2. 3 by 2 x 3 by 2 subtracting 1 from the power, which gives us 3 by 2 x 1 by 2. 3 by 2 into x raised to 1 by 2. Next question, y is equal to 1 by root x, therefore dy upon dx is equal to, now y is equal to 1 by root x, which is equal to 1 by x by half, because root x becomes x, when root is removed it becomes x half, x raised to half. Whenever the denominator comes in numerator, it becomes minus, therefore x raised to minus half. Therefore we found the derivative of this. Now power come outside into x minus half minus 1, subtracting 1, which gives us minus 3 by 2 half into x raised to minus 3 by 2. Next question. Now here will be a combo. Given that x raised to minus 7 plus x raised to half plus 1 root x is equal to x by half. Whenever it comes upside, it becomes x raised to minus half. Now let's find the derivative of this, which is equal to minus 7 x minus 7 minus 1 plus half x half minus 1 plus minus half x minus half minus 1, which is equal to minus 7 x raised to minus 8 plus half x raised to minus half plus minus half x raised to minus 3 by 2. This is the questions. Thank you. Now we will learn about derivative formulas related to trigonometry. So let's see. If given that y is equal to sin x, then dy upon dx is equal to cos x. Given that y is equal to cos x, then dy upon dx is minus sin x. Given that y is equal to tan x, then dy upon dx is equal to sec x square. Sec square x. Given that y is equal to cot x, then dy upon dx is equal to minus cos x square x. These are all the trigonometric equation. They are not only this, there are many, but we will first learn the basic. Let's take the screenshot of it. So let's solve some questions regarding this. Given that y is equal to cos x raised to 4, therefore cos x raised to 4 will be cos. We know that cos is equal to y. If given that y is equal to cos, then it will be minus sin x. Sin x raised to 4. into, we will take the derivative of this only now. In this again, whenever it is multiplication, we took multiplication, which is equal to 4x4 minus 1, which is equal to minus sine x raised to 4 into 4x raised to 3. Let's solve the next question. Therefore, dy upon dx is equal to cos x square into 2 comes outside, 2 minus 1 will be 1. This will be the answer, cos x square into 2x. Now question, given that y is equal to tan x raised to 5, therefore dy upon dx is equal to sec square x raised to 5. If there still is confusion, go and look at the given table where we took that y is equal to sin x is equal to dy upon dx is equal to cos x, like that. The tan x, derivative of tan x is equal to sec square x, so x square x raised to 5. We will keep this as it is, and now we will take the derivative of x raised to 5, which is equal to 5x raised to 4. Cot cot's derivatives minus cos x square x into x raised to 6 bracket remains the same, into 6x minus 5, only 5, subtracting 1 from the next question. Given that sin x into cos x, this is a different type of question, so pay attention. We know that sin's derivative is cos. We will write as it is and keep the bracket same, and into cos x derivative is minus sin x. Similarly, next question. Given that we know the tan's derivative is sec square x, bracket remains the same. Now take the derivative of sin x, which is equal to cos x, cos x, sorry. Done. This we learned in today's lecture. Thank you. We will learn about next trigonometric formulas later. Thank you.